Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we have an online whiteboard. As you can see, it works pretty good. I like it. The problem is I can't get it to clear with this button. I can get it to clear with the keyboard shortcut, which is great, but you know, some people are going to click the clear button. So obviously this is a very cryptic error message. I mean, I'm not even going to try to copy and paste that into AMP. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the dev tools and go to console, and then I'm going to hit clear again and see that, okay, this is obviously really weird. So click handler. All right, let's see how it does. So we're going to copy that and we'll go to AMP in VS Code, and we have index.html. We have the server running. Let's paste this in and see if it can work. Okay, so we got the change done. Let's reload this. Smiley face. Nice. So the error is gone. Let's make sure that the keyboard shortcut still works. Yep. So now we are fixed. We have a smiley face. And there you go. That's how you fix bugs in AMP. Well, one of the many ways that you fix bugs in AMP. Give it a try. ampcode.com. Bye.